So here's a Renault Espace and I want to remove the wiper, and for that I need to remove that cap, remove that nut, and then remove that arm from that shaft. That is not too easy, and for that I will use this tool, and it looks like this. So this is the arm itself. That's a cover, a plastic cover. This one has a handle and a threaded rod and a C-shaped metal, which is here. Rotate it to the right and it should push down the center part and lift up this lower part. So it looks like this. This is plastic. It has an additional element here which is rotating. So that central part is rotating because you have to rotate this one, and otherwise it's like a drill bit. It might make a hole into the other rod. So let's see, can I use it this way or I need to open up the engine compartment? And as I see, it will not fit in because this part has to come here and it's halfway already blocked. So I need to open up this part. Next question is, after I erase this, will it be... Yes, it's large enough so it can fit in. So just open it up. That's the end of the thread. And it's not enough, as I see. Now it's enough. First remove that nut. This was already removed once, so it should work. That has a washer also, and it's, I think, 15 millimeter. So insert it below and tighten it a little bit. It's on the right side. Just rotate this one and it should lift it up. By the way, this is brand new and it is already opened a little bit, so it's not a C, perfect C, but slightly opened. So here's a conclusion already. Since it's slightly opened, it's not staying exactly on this one, on the top of it, but it's going to the side. Plus this is pretty small, the handle, and you can barely turn it. That's the first conclusion, and it did not even move. Outside here in nature, I used a little bit of Flintstone technology, rocks, bricks, and I hit this thing from the top and I slightly bent this part down, but that's still not enough. This shaft here in the center is not at the center of the other shaft, so I still need to hit this. Something like that. I don't have any other tools right now. This metal is pretty tough. The right side got bent even more. Now let's try the left one. Ooh, maybe it's getting softer. I had to hit it 10 or 20 or 30 times before I got it to move a little bit, bend. Now at the second hit or third, it's bent already. Now let's try it this way. It is somewhat better, but this one is still not on the center of that shaft, so it does not stay straight there. As you can see, this upper shaft is on the right side. Okay, and the next problem is that this plastic is moving freely. Besides the fact that you barely can grab it, now it's even moving freely. Now it's rotating freely. The plastic is rotating, the metal is not. So I cannot recommend this tool. Okay, so what I did wrong is I used this nut and that tool to rotate it, and that got this loose. So this is metal inside the plastic. So that is not loose, but only this got loose. So don't use a tool to rotate it from this, but try to rotate it somehow with a larger one from the plastic. Use a metal to rotate the plastic. Another problem with this is that it does not go in well enough. So it should go to the right more, but it's not. When you tighten it, it's only on the left side. although this part is bent well enough. This corner is way too inside and it's pushing that corner away. I mean, that one's pushing this away. This end is already bent. As you can see, it's slightly to the right.